Have you ever woken up from a vivid dream only to have it slip away before you could make sense of it? I'm Maryann, a dream analyst passionate about personal growth and self-awareness. Dreams are a powerful gateway to your subconscious mind, offering insights, creativity, and emotional healing. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of dream journals, a tool that helps you unlock those hidden messages. We will explore how to keep a dream journal, practice dream journaling tips, and dream recall techniques to help you remember more of your dreams. You will also learn how to start decoding and interpreting dream symbols, unlocking patterns, and finding creative inspiration from dreams. Whether you are a beginner looking for dream journal ideas or someone seeking deeper self-awareness through dreams, this guide will provide actionable steps to tap into the profound benefits of dream journaling. Stay tuned and discover how to transform your dreams into a tool for profound personal growth, emotional healing, and unlocking the hidden messages of your mind. This journey is not just about understanding your dreams, but also about understanding yourself and your growth potential. Have you ever wondered what your dreams were trying to tell you? Share a recent dream you remember in the comments. Dreams are more than reflecting thoughts during sleep. They can hold valuable insights, creative inspiration, and even hidden messages from your subconscious mind. Keeping a dream journal is a potent way to tap into this rich source of personal understanding. Why keeping a dream journal, you may ask? A dream journal can help you in 4 ways, which are: the first one, improve dream recall. Writing down your dreams helps strengthen your memory. The second one is understand subconscious patterns. Dreams often reveal thoughts, fears, or desires buried in your subconscious. And the third is boost creativity. Many creative breakthroughs stem from dream-inspired ideas. The fourth one is enhance personal growth. Analyzing dreams can lead to a deeper self-awareness and emotional healing. If you have tried keeping a dream journal before, we value your experience and we would love to hear your best tips in the comments. Your insights invaluable to others on this journey. How to start a dream journal? The first one is choose the right journal. Pick a notebook or digital app that's easy to access upon waking. A physical journal is often ideal for those who enjoy the tactical writing experience. The second one is keep it within reach. Place your journal and a pen next to your bed. It will ensure that you can record your dreams immediately before details fade. And the third one on my list is set your intention before going to sleep. Mentally affirm your desire to remember your dreams. Say to yourself, I will remember my dreams when I wake up. And the fourth one is record immediately. Upon waking, write down everything you can recall, even if it's just fragments or emotions. Dreams fade quickly, So timing is crucial, extremely crucial. And the fifth one is include key details. Note these elements in your dream journal. The first one is date and time. Record when the dream occurred. And the second one is people and character in the dream. Who was in the dream? And the third one is the locations. Where did the dream take place? And the fourth one is emotions. How did you feel during and after the dream? The fifth one is the symbols. Note recurring or standout symbols, objects or events. Now we move on to the techniques to improve dream recall. The first one is maintain a regular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up consistently improves dream recall. The second is avoid stimulants before bed. Alcohol, caffeine, and heavy meals can disrupt dream patterns. The third one is practice relaxation techniques. Meditation or deep breathing before bed can help you enter a restful place that is conducive to vivid dreams. And the fourth one is wake up gently. Use a gentle alarm or wake up naturally to retain dream memories better. How to decode hidden messages in your dreams, you may want to know as well. Anyway, decoding your dreams involves interpreting the symbols and themes in the context of your waking life. Here is how I will share them with you. First is you identify recurring symbols. It's very crucial. Are there objects, animals, or scenarios that frequently appear in your dreams? These symbols often represent deeper themes and emotions. The second is connect emotions to events. Consider the emotions you felt during the dream. It matters. Are they linked to something in your waking life, such as stress, joy, or fear? The third one is look for patterns. Over time, patterns may emerge in your dream journal. For example, recurring dreams about being chased could indicate unresolved stress or anxiety. The fourth one is use symbols dictionaries with caution, but you do this with caution. Dream dictionaries can offer general insight into symbols, but always prioritize your context. For example, a snake might symbolize transformation to one person, but fear to another. So that's why I said you should use them with caution. The fifth one is explore Carl Jung's archetypes, such as the shadow, hero, or wise older man, can help you interpret dreams that involve universal themes. Then the sixth one is reflect and take action. After analyzing your dream, consider how its messages relate to your life. Does it reveal something you must address, such as an unresolved conflict or a neglected goal? I'm going to be giving you the tips for maximizing the benefits of dream journaling. Review your journal regularly. Reflect on your entries to uncover long-term patterns and insights. Draw or sketch your dreams if words aren't enough. Illustrating can help capture the essence of your dreams. Share with trusted friends or professionals. Sometimes discussing your dreams can provide fresh perspectives. Use guided techniques like lucid dreaming or meditation to interact with your dreams more intentionally. In conclusion, thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of dreams and the power of dream journaling. By learning how to keep a dream journal, applying dream recall techniques, and exploring ways of decoding dreams, you are taking the first steps towards unlocking the profound insights of your subconscious mind. Whether you are discovering the meaning behind recurring dream symbols, seeking emotional healing through dreams, or finding creative inspiration from dreams, the benefits of dream journaling are limitless. Remember, this practice can enhance self-awareness, uncover hidden messages in dreams, and foster personal growth through dream journaling. Keeping a dream journal is a rewarding practice that connects you to your subconscious mind and unlocks hidden insights. By recording your dreams, improving recurring techniques, and decoding their messages, you can discover profound truths about yourself and enhance your personal growth. Start your dream journal today and see how this powerful tool transforms your understanding of yourself and your waking life. If you found these dream journaling tips and strategies helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights on topics like dream analysis, effective dream journal strategies, and how to tap into your dream inspired creativity. Know someone who's curious about dreams. Share this video and start a conversation about dream journaling together. Let's keep exploring, decoding, and growing together. Sweet dreams, and I will see you in the following video on Is God Speaking Through Your Dreams? Discover spiritual guidance.